So Chris has to move a truck. They've got, you can possibly hear, they got a vehicle in the trailer. I'm gonna get so the sun is not against me. So this is another, I believe he said this was a 1970 Delta 88. And the top is off. I do want to open this door just to show you. This one's really highly optioned with the power windows, and he said it has every option you can get on it. And so their plan on this is to frame off every nut bolt on this one as well. It's just a really fascinating car. You pulling this one out, Charlie?
Just
no?
starting it up, running it. You want to look inside?
Yeah.
470 Challenger, 446 pack.
In what year?
1970.
70 Challenger. Oh, wow.
Ready to go home.
Yeah. What a beautiful car. Thank you. I'll back up and shoot their trailer. So there's the information on Frisco Hill, and I'll leave that below. I just want to walk back and show his boneyard. So you can see these are some bumpers, and I see some cowl pieces, all 50s, 60s, and 70s. Some glass, plenty of trim, wing windows, more glass. Looks like some Cutlass rear end, I would imagine. Plenty of wheels, steering box. Oh, look at the hubcaps. So we got a, they're gonna put a Art Morrison chassis under this with a 6.0. And I don't recall, this is a 54 Chevy. I don't recall what they're gonna do with that. It's a buddy of Chris's. This is a 58 Cadillac, and I shot a 58 Cadillac. They got that from here in Missouri. I need to research that Greenlease. There was a family in Green. If you're a Route 66 fan, you may recognize that Greenlease name, because the motel on Highway 66, Coral Courts, there was a kidnapping and ransom, and they kidnapped the boy from the Greenlease family, if my memory serves me correctly. I'll have to do some research. But this is a 58 Cadillac, and that's quite a, all the trim. I mean, what are the odds of finding a vehicle with all the trim after all these years? I mean, look at the fin here. I got to show you the fins in the back. But all these years later, in this Cadillac, trim is still there. The trim on the deck lid, just beautiful. And if I remember, Chris walked me through here. I think these are two 1956 Oldsmobile Holiday Coupes, 88 Holiday Coupes. And what brought us back here to begin with is he's got a Oldsmobile 98, and then that's an 88. And he was walking me through and showing me all the uniqueness and the unique items about these vehicles. So that is the 98, and then this is the 88. And just really, he bought this just for, he needed a trim piece. You can see down on the bottom. So he bought the car for the trim piece and was able to use the trim piece, and now he has the vehicle. He said at some point they may do something with it, but it's just I'm gonna try and get that shadow out of the way. Just a sample of some of the stuff he has in the back of his shop. And I thought for us old guys, this would be cool just because when we were kids, this is the kind of stuff you would see at shops. So I'll go ahead and shut it down. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.